I'm so excited. I don't like post-show controversies. The spotlight is too harsh.
On that note, let's throw the spotlight on the men of the moment and with their brilliance, recreate the magic of cinema and the thrill of journalism. Mr. Vinay Tiwari and Mr. Krishna Prasad, welcome to Bangalore.
वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहिए जे पीड़ पराई जाने रे
और भयो और भयो और भयो और भयो पैया पसारे मीठे धूप देखो आयो सवेरा तब टपो टपो सुबह रे.
You need and you want an education that is not only going to help you earn a living, but also lead a meaningful life. We all need a new system of education. Education that is going to help all of you become competent, successful professionals who can enter the industry and take on the demands and the jobs that the industry has.
Many of you are in this room today because you are interested in the media. The beauty of the media is you can be in India and the world can be your market. The future, my friends, is fantastic. And that is the endeavor of Comets. It is to prepare you for this fabulous and fantastic future that Ronita and her wonderful team is able to do it, is to bring the student, that is you, as close to industry as possible.
And now, Anaga Gunjal will introduce our first speaker.
Journalism has been his passion for the last 17 years in both print and electronic media. So ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together to welcome our keynote speaker, Mr. Vinay Tiwari.
And unlike a newspaper or a magazine, you're competing real time, which means if you come to any channel's newsroom, you will always find 15, 20, 100 television screens where all other channels are on air as well. So you're watching your competition live all the time.
And he was one of the two journalists who then broke the match-fixing scandal that turned the cricket world upside down. He took a brief break from Outlook to become the editor of the Bangalore daily, Vijay Times, before returning to Outlook 2 years ago. So ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Mr. Krishna Prasad.
And I deeply, deeply love the fact that journalism is at the core of the greatest film ever made on earth. There's no one single Indian media anywhere. No single media house can claim to represent the whole of this country, A. No single language can claim to represent this entire country, B. Okay? And even within those channels, there's no one single outfit who you could say speaks for everybody.
I am Ayushman. I am an alumni of Comets, and right now I am working with the Financial Express, Bangalore. Is good journalism bad business?
Good journalism, to me, increasingly looks like bad business. That's for sure. It's very depressing, but it's quite true.
Which American newspaper hailed Mr. Krishna Prasad as one of India's brightest journalists?
Singer, tum to tehre
Stop!
kar de.
What are you doing? Do you want to ruin the seminar? Can we please leave the singing to Priscilla, Pooja and Amrita? invite Apar to introduce our first speaker.
I hope all of you are ready after digesting your rice plates. Please excuse me for my lame attempt at humor, but I just can't contain my excitement about our first speaker of the post-lunch session, the man behind the laugh riot Quick Gun Murugan. He made his debut as a film director with Vaisa Bhi Hota Hai Part 2. Let's see what he has in store for us today. So if I may say so, Mr. Shashank Ghosh. Leave the ladies, remove your guns, and up on the stage I say.
I would say there are a billion ideas. Everyone has an idea. Out of them, some 75,000, synopses get registered every year. Out of that, some 30,000 scripts, 30 or 20,000 scripts happen. Out of that, some 4 or 5,000 go to the floors, right? Roughly 1,200 get made. Roughly 300 get released.
He's made his presence felt in different sections of the media. He has a master's degree in communication. So ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming the creative wizard, Namma Nimmellara K.M. Chaitanya.
Kannada viewer in Bangalore does not watch a Kannada film here. That's the unfortunate case. I don't know if it is unfortunate also, because that's the kind of films we make. But that's another thing is also, the thing is that the Kannada audience also is a very polyglot audience. They speak various languages and they see various films. So they see Telugu cinema, they see Tamil, they see Hindi, and then they want a Kannada cinema which is of that standard. But the budgets of a Hindi, a Telugu, a Tamil film is far bigger, and we can't offer that. So maybe we should, actually nowadays sometimes I feel we are a different kind of an audience, and we have to understand our audience.
He took a chance and danced his way to success with Rab Ne Bana Di Jodi. It did not take him 70 minutes to rocket to the top. And he is the man who had the nation chanting Chak De. He has touched our hearts and set the box office on fire with his scripts. He likes to be involved in all aspects of filmmaking. So for Ghosla Ka Ghosla, Chak De India and Rocket Singh, he had a role to play in almost everything, from idea to script and from casting to the film's release. So ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it for Jaideep Sani.
When I finished writing the script and we were trying to, figure out the exact kind of gear you need and trolleys you need to cover that kind of action. And we realized we wanted to shoot it like ice hockey because that's faster and more exciting to watch. So we saw the making of Miracle.
ले जा रे महकी रात